Abdali Grammar School, Social Studies, Lesson Culture and Society, Chapter number 4, Lecture number 3. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to study our chapter that is Culture and Society, and today's topic is Art. So first of all, I'll tell you about the art. What is art actually? The art include dance, music, literature and different form of arts. Art include dance, music, literature and different forms of art. Students, what does art include? What does art include? Art include dance, music, literature and different forms of art. Art play important part in the culture of any country. The art that include dance, music, art and literature, these all things form an important part of a culture of any country. The art play an important part in the culture of any country. Dear students, my question is, what is an important part of the culture of any country? What is the important part of a culture of any country? The answer is very simple, that is art. Art is an important part of a culture of any country. Art includes 4 things: dance, music, literature and different forms of arts, and all these different forms of arts play an important part of a culture of any country. Food, games and festivals. Food, games and festivals of a country are also a part of its culture. Food, games and festival of a country are also the part of its culture. So question is, what else could be a part of a culture? What else could be a part of a culture? The food, festival and games of a country are also a part of its culture. Food, games and festivals of a country are also the part of its culture. History of a country can be told by its art. The history of a country can be told by its art. So my question is, what does art tell us about? What does art tell us about? The art tell us about the history of a country. The art tell us about the history of a country. In Pakistan, we have many art experts, and these experts have been handed down from one generation to another. In Pakistan, we have many experts in different arts which have been handed down from one generation to another. You can see these pictures of Ishfaq Ahmed, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan and Sadiq Khan. Sadiq Khan was a very famous painter. Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan was a great musician and Ishfaq Ahmed was a famous writer. So these art experts teach us art that has been handed down from one generation to another. My question is, what have been handed down from one generation to another? That is art. What have been handed down from one generation to another? Answer is art. Group dance. Each group of people in our country has its own special dance, and these dances are mostly performed in the form of group. When people perform dance in the form of group, that is called group dance. Dear students, now you can explain what is group dance. What is group dance? Group dance means a group of people dance in a form of group. A group dance means a group of people dance in the form of group. That is called a group dance. I hope you can now explain easily what is art and what is group dance. Now, harvest time, wedding and festivals. These are the special times at which the dance are performed. Harvest time, wedding and festivals. Dance are performed at a special time and at special place. These special time could be harvest time, wedding, festival or occasion of a feast. These special times may be harvest time, wedding, festival or the occasion of any feast. So dear students, what could be the special time for a dance? What could be the special time for a dance? Harvest time, wedding, festivals. Sindhi, Punjabi, Balochi dance. The first picture is representing Sindhi dance. The second picture is representing Punjabi dance. And the third picture is representing Balochi dance. These are the different dance forms found in Pakistan. So dear students, how many dance forms we have in Pakistan? How many dance forms we have in Pakistan? We have many dance forms in Pakistan, including Sindhi dance, Punjabi dance and Balochi dance forms. Sindhi, Punjabi, Balochi dance form. Apart from these three dance forms, we also have a special dance of KPK that is known as Khattak Dance. What is Khattak Dance? Khattak Dance is a special dance form of KPK. Khattak Dance is a special dance form that is performed by the people of KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. These pictures represent Khattak Dance of KPK. Where does Khattak Dance performed? Where does Khattak Dance perform? The Khattak Dance is a special dance form that is performed by the people of KPK. Dancers wore colorful clothes. Dancers always dress up in fine, colorful clothes. These pictures represent different dancers, and you can see in these pictures that all of them wore very bright, colorful, fine dresses. Dear students, now you can easily answer my question. And my question is, how does dancers dress up? How does dancers dress up? Dancer dress up in fine, colorful clothes. Dancer dress up in fine, colorful clothes. Dancers are accompanied by musicians. These musicians playing a variety of instruments, or sometimes only one instrument is used, such as drum. Dancers are accompanied by musicians. These musicians play variety of instruments, and sometimes only one instrument is used, that is drum. So dear students, who accompany dancers? Who accompany dancers? Dancers are accompanied by musicians, and musicians playing variety of instruments. Sometimes they play only one instrument, such as drum. Apart from musical instrument, dancers use sticks as well. Dancers use sticks during their dance, and their steps are accompanied by songs or a loud shout. These pictures represent different kinds of sticks that used during dance. Dear students, what does dancer use during their dance? What does dancer use during their dance? Dancer use sticks. Popular dance form. These pictures represent the popular dance forms of Punjab. The first picture represents Bhangra and the second picture represents Luddi dance. These two dance forms are the popular dance forms of Punjab. So dear students, what is the popular dance form of Punjab? What is the popular dance form of Punjab? The Punjab has two popular dance forms, Bhangra and Luddi. Punjab has two popular dance forms, Bhangra and Luddi. Balochi dance form Liva. This dance form is also known as Makrani dance. So, what is the name of Balochi dance form? The Balochi dance form or a Makrani dance form is known as Liva. Liva is a dance form of Balochistan. So, what is the name of a dance of Balochi people? The Balochi dance form is known as Liva. The name of Balochi dance is Liva. Here come the Sindhi dance form. This slide show you the Sindhi dance form that is known as Jhumar. The Sindhi dance form is known as Jhumar dance. Dear students, can you tell me what is the popular dance form of Sindh? What is the popular dance form of Sindh? The popular Sindhi dance form is known as Jhumar. The dance form of KPK. As in previous slide, we have talked about the Khattak Dance. So the dance form of KPK is known as Khattak Dance. Khattak Dance is a special kind of dance that is performed by male performers, and these performers carry sword in their hands. Dear students, what is the name of dance form of KPK? What is the name of dance form of KPK? Yes, it is Khattak Dance. It is Khattak Dance. Dear students, do you know where is Kailash Valley situated? Yes, Kailash Valley is situated in Pakistan. But let me tell you first in detail. Kailash Valley is located in the high mountainous area of the northwest near Chitral. Kailash Valley is located in the high mountainous area of the northwest near Chitral. So now students, can you tell me where is Kailash Valley situated? Yes, Kailash Valley is situated in high mountainous area of the northwest near Chitral. Kailash Valley is situated near Chitral. The people of Kailash wore dark colored clothes. Kailash girls mostly wear dark colored clothes with brightly colored borders. The Kailash girls wore dark clothes with brightly colored border. As these pictures clearly represent their clothes, so students, now tell me how Kailash girls dress up. How Kailash girls dress up? Kailash girls wore dark clothes with brightly colored borders. Kailash girl wore dark clothes with brightly colored border. In next slide, we will discuss about the type of jewelry the women of Kailash wore. As you can see in these pictures that these women are wearing strings around their neck, and these strings are made up of red and white beads. Kailash girls wore strings around their necks, and their strings are made up of red and white beads. So dear students, now can you tell me that what type of jewelry does Kailash women wear? What type of jewelry does Kailash women wear? Kailash girl wore strings around their neck, and these strings are made up of red and white beads. Headgears. Kailash women also wear headgears, and these headgears are decorated with cowrie shells, buttons, and bead. Kailash women also wear headgears, and their headgears are decorated with cowrie shell, buttons, and bead. Dear students, how Kailash women decorate their headgears? How Kailash women decorate their headgears? Their headgears are decorated with cowrie shell, buttons, and beads. Flower dance. At Kapalu near Sakardu, the local people performed a dance that is known as flower dance, and local people call it Mindak dance. The Mindak dance is also known as flower dance, and it is a special dance of people of Skardu. So dear students, now tell me, what is the another name of flower dance? Flower dance is also known as Mindak dance. The local people of Skardu also perform another dance that is known as sword dance. These dance forms are performed by the help of swords. Sword dance is also known as stamino. Sword dance is also known as stamino. So dear students, what is the another name of sword dance? The sword dance is also known as stamino. The Khawar. The Khawar is the dance of the northeast, and this dance is performed by men. These men perform their dance, which is accompanied by clapping of hands and beating of drums. So dear students, what is the Khawar? What is the Khawar? The Khawar is the dance form of the northeast. Khawar is the dance form of the northeast. How Khawar is performed? How Khawar is performed? This dance is performed by men, and the dance accompanied by clapping of hand and beating of drum. Dance accompanied by clapping of hand and beating of drum. Hope this video will play an important role for understanding the chapter Culture and Society. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.